Have you ever wondered how websites actually live on the internet? Today, I'll explain what web hosting is in very simple words, and by the end of this video, you'll clearly understand how websites work online, even if you are a complete beginner. Web hosting is a service that stores your website files and makes them available on the internet so anyone can visit your website anytime from anywhere in the world. Your website is made of images, text, videos, and code, and all these files need a place to live, and that place is called a server. Think of your website like a house. Your domain name is the address, your website files are the furniture, the server is the land, and web hosting is the service that rents you that land. Without land, you cannot build a house, and in the same way, without web hosting, your website cannot exist on the internet. A server is a powerful computer that runs 24 hours a day, stays connected to the internet all the time, and stores your website files safely. When someone types your website address in their browser, the browser asks the server for your website, and the server sends those files back, which is how the website loads. First, you upload your website files to a hosting server, then you connect your domain name. When a visitor types your domain, the server sends the files, and the website appears in just a few seconds. To make your website public, available worldwide, and online all the time, you must use web hosting. Personal blogs, business websites, online stores, portfolio websites, and educational platforms all use web hosting. Web hosting stores your website files, servers run your website, and without hosting your website cannot be seen on the internet. In the next videos, we will talk about different types of hosting and how to choose the right one. So, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you are new to web hosting.